Hi, everybody. Today we're going to start our first session of Math 122. This is information on polynomials, factoring, and some equations and inequalities. So let's take a look by starting with a share. Here we go. And I think that this is the one I want. Okay, so the first thing to talk about is what a polynomial is. So a polynomial is just an expression. Okay, it adds together terms. Remember, terms are things you add together. Factors are things you multiply. Polynomials always have variables that have exponents that are either 0 or whole numbers. You're not going to see negative exponents or fractional exponents or decimal exponents here. You're not going to see square roots with the x's, just whole number exponents. Okay. There are three types of polynomials. There's a monomial, which is one term. An example of this would be minus 7x to the third. Binomials are two terms. 3x minus 7 would be an example of that. And 3x squared minus 4x plus 9 would be three unlike terms, which would make it a trinomial. Okay. These, along with all the others, fit under just a generic name of polynomial. Poly means many, and nomio means terms. So we have operations with polynomials. We have addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction really is just distributing and combining like terms. Okay. Getting rid of the grouping symbols if you have to distribute, and adding the like terms together. If you wanted some review on this, I give you a couple of examples here, and then also you can click this link on adding and subtracting polynomials. Multiplying polynomials, again, we have multiplying polynomials is really just a couple links here, but also I want you to think about polynomials as distributing. Okay, you can talk about FOIL all you want and all that good stuff, but distributing is really what polynomials are about. And so we distribute. If we have a monomial times anything else, we distribute and get 3x squared minus 2x, and 3x squared times 4 with a negative in front since the 4 is negative. And we multiply together. Remember, we add the exponents together. We're multiplying two things with the same base. So that gives us 6x to the third minus 12x squared. Unlike up here where we combine like terms and we do not add the exponents together. The exponent stays the same. I can take a binomial times a binomial. That really is just, some people call this FOILing, but really we're just taking this first term in this first binomial and distributing it with this, the second binomial. Then we're taking a second term in the first binomial and distributing it through the second binomial. It doesn't matter what, if it's just two first degree binomials, or if you have a different degree in each. After you distribute, you look to combine like terms. And this first one we can combine because the minus 10x and the 12x are like terms. In the second one, we cannot. Watch out when we have something like the quantity 2x minus 3 squared. This means we write the 2x minus 3 multiplied together twice. We don't take 4x squared and minus 9. That doesn't work. That's not what's happening here. You can't move this exponent in when we have subtraction or addition here. A second part of this is factoring. There are several methods of factoring that we'll see this week. One of them is the greatest common factor. We'll also see factoring by grouping and factoring when the leading term is 1, factoring when the leading term is not 1, and some special factorizations like sum and difference of cubes and difference of squares. Okay. So let's take a look at these. I have some examples here, and I've worked out each example on a PDF. So let me stop the screen share, and let me go to the next one.